decided to remember me in this life.
Babe, I'm sorry. You know how things are.
That reminds me. I hope you got my stuff. Ivory?
Oh God, sorry. I've been very busy. Yeah, I went to oversee my father's new business.
Oh goodness.
I've not had time for myself, not to talk of social media. I would have talked to you. Serious.
I can't believe this.
Please.
I was just wondering what happened. Because I sent you a series of messages, no reply.
I'm very sorry.
I forgive you.
At least now I'm back. Let's do the catch.
I said I have forgiven you.
Wait. Where's your husband?
That one. I don't understand though. I don't understand that man. I sent him to buy something for me for over 5 hours now. I haven't seen him. When I talk, it's as if I am rude or I don't know how to talk to my husband.
5 hours.
Don't worry, I'm waiting for him to come back.
Hey.
Please, what can I offer you? I'll get you something, don't worry. I'm coming.
Alright.
Mama, I will not take it. He said Ichie did what? Beat you. Hi!
If not for Ejoma here, if he got a table, I would have been dead by now.
Mama, it will not happen. I am going there now. They will see war. They will see war. They have not seen anything. No. They have not seen anything. No. Second World War is coming to their family. By the time trailer will jam them, don't worry, I will see a looker. I want him to warn his father. Because if I jam them, if not, I'm busy now. Let me go and finish my talk with Luci's city girlfriend.
Lucy?
Yes.
Is she here?
Yes, her friend is back.
No, but start going now.
Mama, she just left here. She is back. Mama, come and see her. Come and see him morning. This girl. Hey.
You know, let her waste time. Start going now before somebody else will take over.
Ijoma, take care of Mama. Let me go and finish talk there. Because I'm not coming here. I'm not coming back here without money. Never.
Ijoma, call my son and my daughter-in-law. Kahabiabagodu. If for that Ofodile, he will sleep in police cell. And watch me. Go and make that call.
Let me get my phone.
Make sure you use the phone that has a service. So.
Okay, Mama.
Yeah, what's that? Walk up here. We spin kita. Wanna go here? Ofodile. Wait. Let my daughter-in-law come first.
Why are you so in a hurry to finish your drink? Easy now, match never starts.
Match will soon start now. How many minutes to the match?
Every time your guys even bet, we even bet. You are in bed, sir.
Okay, leave me. We are bed day now. I go die.
See, there's something I want to tell you.
What is it?
See that guy when they there. I wish say I feel be like that guy.
Hi, Jesus Christ. See, are you tired of being yourself? You man, need shameless. Shameless.
The problem is say you know they think far. Your thinking end for beer.
Well, thinker.
See, do you know if you're married to a senator's daughter, your problems are over? Will you have any other problem?
Mike, okay. See him. See the guy now, senator's in-law. My guy, I don't like such marriage. Listen, let me tell you. One of my guys that works there told me that his wife treats him like a rag. No man wants that kind of marriage. A marriage where you cannot exercise your power, as in where you cannot perform your manly duty.
What are you talking about manly power for? What is manly power without money? If it's the reason I said I want to be like him is because I know myself. If he using one way or the other to save for himself, before you know, he will have power of service.
You are far. You are far. You need deliverance. The deliverance I'm talking about is not online family deliverance for your village. My God, let me just tell you. See what I'm telling you. See, my God, the way you're looking at this man, is he happy? If this man is doing you and marry that babe, he will have his power to control his heart. But when you don't have news, how can you take respect? This is you are normal. I'm telling you the truth.
It's very painful. What makes you think that he's not happy? He could be here thinking about one business or the other.
Which business? business. Which business? Leave that thing.
You see, as this guy is thinking about the business of life. Maybe he has put his money into one business that failed, and that's why it's like this. Not because of the wife. See, if you are married to the senators, there is no how you will not have money. Money will definitely come into your pocket. I'm telling you.
I don't envy anyone. Don't envy anyone. Can I tell you the truth? Don't envy that guy. My guy can wag it. If you know what this guy is passing through, looking at attack Hausa, na BIB for you. Do you get me? You will not like to be like this guy. This guy is not happy.
Can I tell you? Is it written on him? Calm down. I don't know who made a mistake. Is it written on him? Do you know if he's thinking about his businesses and all that? You're here saying anywhere. Wise up.
Okay, happy. Yeah, from the look of his man, you can testify his face. And tell me the truth. Okay, I'm going back. I get about it.
I'm about it. I'm not going to play bet.
Mama, he's not picking his calls.
Mba, no Sunday, you had better pick your call. Because call him. Why won't he? They need to send the police here so they will get this man arrested. Him and his daughters. In short, call his wife.
Mama, I don't like calling that his wife.
Why don't you like calling her? Because if you won't talk to her, you give me, let me talk to her myself.
Why are you not picking your call?
Why will I pick? Huh? I don't want to pick. This family, oh my goodness, I wonder, I regret ever meeting them. The only thing they do is to look for trouble and then put it on someone's head. They're so greedy. God.
This is another side to marriage. They will just see you like a tree of money.
A tree of money, right? I am the tree of money. Let them come and pluck it. They know what they are facing right now. Because since I got married to their son, I turned my back on them. 100%.
This is bad. I don't want to get married to some poor guy. Yes, because I don't like this drama at all. But come to think of it, don't you think this guy will begin to regret why he got married to you?
Like he has a choice. He is stuck in here, my dear. He doesn't have a choice. And he's going nowhere. If he does anything stupid, he will get it hot. For he knows what is facing him anyways. Do I need to talk too much? Nonsense. I even wonder what is keeping him. I just wonder.
I wonder why he's still out till now.
I don't...
Shine your eye. I hope this guy is not planning to run away.
Run away? Hey, hold on.
Hey, where is that stupid girl? Ijoma, you this ugly monkey, abandoned project. You have the guts to push my father down. You have the guts to insult my father.
See, the two of you, you dirty girls should get out of my compound before you end up in cell before your father.
Mama Ijoma, don't even talk to us that way. Don't even try it, you wicked woman. Wicked woman.
You called me wicked?
Yes.
What did you call my mother?
I said wicked woman, in case you didn't hear me. Abandoned project. Yes.
What will you do? You called my mother a wicked woman.
I said yes. Yes. What will you do? I will kill you. Let me finish you today. If I stand up, I will break you. I will break your bones. If I stand up from here, what will you do? Wait, let me stand up. If I stand up from here, I will kill you today. Stand up from here. Hit her from behind. Hit her from behind. Stand up from here. If I stand up, what will you do? What will you not believe me? Why did you put down my father? Who are you? Are you a fool? You will never do that. You hit the half from the back. You hit the half from the back. You hit the half from the back. Yes, because you are running.
You You're such a sweet guy. You know, with the way you behave, no one can tell that you have a degree in architecture and engineering.
Nonsense, you still. How do I behave?
Funny.
Hey,
extremely funny. Now I understand why my friend is falling deeply in love with you.
Nobody is falling for anybody. Oh. Everybody is falling on their own. See, she's only liking me. She's like a sister to me because the way I help her. Nothing more.
So, you mean you guys have nothing?
Am I crazy?
The food is ready. Come inside and eat.
Which food? I don't like this.
Anuka, let's go in. So we can have the drinks I brought.
The drinks?
Yes.
That one I can take. But food, that one I cannot take. Huh?
Anuka, we have to go now.
Go where?
Yes, we have to go now.
Commander-in-Chief. Go where?
Anuka, I went to your house and I saw my sisters fighting your mother and your sister.
So, earlier today, your father fought my mother.
What?
In the farm. Now, your sisters went to my house to fight my mother and my sister. Never! Take your khaki. Never!
Why would these guys do that? What's happening? I don't know. Oh.
What's going on?
No.
I wonder why he's not taking his calls.
Oh my goodness. It's not what I'm thinking.
No, Sunday wouldn't dare. He wouldn't just dare at all. Don't even go there.
If you say so, come and see me. I pray he comes back very early.
You want to start going?
I have to. Okay? I'll see you tomorrow.
It's okay.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my dear, you didn't even waste so much time today. You just
You have done so well, my daughters. Now I know I have daughters in this house. Hi!
But why would they insult you? Why? Why would they insult you? Is it because they have money? Let them come and arrest us.
Who will arrest us? No, who will arrest us? So because Osund is married to a rich man's daughter, his mother cannot go ahead and mess up in the village. Papa, anyone who messes up will perceive it.
Exactly.
Don't mind them. Let them bring their matter. The whole of us will go to station, eh? See, I went to Egodi to tell her that I intend not to use the lad as expired. She refused.
She will not rest.
Instead, she want to use intimidation to collect my own land.
Initial gra.
As for that, your stupid brother, just leave him alone for me.
Papa, how do you want that idiot to react? How do you want the idiot to react when Anuka gives him small cut from his brother's money? But at least they felt us today, Papa.
Papa, you see what we did today.
Oh, Lord.
Hey, I was on top of her. I was bouncing her. Amara was behind her. Hitting her.
Punching her ass.
They will never forget what happened today.
She was just gassing out.
They will never forget it.
She was just gassing out, Papa.
Wait, Elo was not there to witness
No,
it.
he was not there. He was.
Papa, you see her ear like this. Her head like
Her
this.
face.
Her leg.
Now listen, I will give both of you 5,000.
Buy that basket in the market. Let's get that basket.
Are you a witch?
Papa, bring the money.
No, I will give you no inside.
The money,
It's
Papa, you
inside.
have 5K.
Yes.
You see what they did to my sister? Have you seen it? If I fight now, they'll say that Anuka likes to give trouble. You see it now. I'll give them war. I'll give them war.
This is bad. Why would sane ladies come to someone's house to fight?
Do I know? Eh? Do I know? Eh? Now look at it now. If I verse, if I get angry now and start destroying them now, they will say that Anuka likes trouble. But Mama, what is keeping Osondo and his wife with their police?
Oh, Mama, I don't know. We have been calling them since so, and they have not picked our calls. I've been there.
Mama, you don't have to cry.
Okay.
It's true that I'm new here, but this is not fair.
It is not. I'm happy you agree with us. It is not.
With my father's connection, I will show them that they cannot take laws into their hands.
Father, please. Do you know anybody in the police?
Mama, my father is a very wealthy man in this country.
Eh?
All I need now is for someone to just show me where the police station is and leave the rest to me.
Anuka, show her where the police office is.
There is police station down here. Listen, let me tell you, it's not that I cannot go there and tell them to start arrest. But this is my I will do something. I will do. Let me take you to the police station. Don't worry.
Can you drive?
Where? I can.
I will not. The waist pain has gone. No stress again.
You see, it's not that I cannot do this,
Yes.
But I'm respecting her. You have taken over.
It's okay.
No problem.
Anuka.
Yes, let me.
Can I follow you people to this station?
Don't worry. Come. Let me.
Hi. Okay, dear. All right, dear. Okay, dear.
See, while we are going, you'll be making your call. What is here? It's not that. Mama, don't worry. I'll deal with them.
Anuka. This girl did not connect. Anuka Anafe. Anuka Megini. Anuka Megini. Anafego. Ofodi. Yakwana Sam, I told you. It is good to know people that have money. Yakwa belemwa. Yakwa no Kenya zimoto. Hey. This is too much. Hey. Wonderful. It is good to have money. Say it. Say it. It is good to have money.
It is good to be well connected.
Yes. Can I create a banante? No, it is good
to have money.
You find a rich man. You're going to use a week. You better bend to the
see, the truth is that my father wants his land back because the tenure they agreed has expired. Yes, but the problem is that Anuka's mother still wants to make use of the land in this planting season.
Hi.
But my father refused to give her the land. See, me as his son, I even pleaded. I said, Father, please, let Anuka's mother make use of the land because Anuka is my friend. But he refused. I don't know what to do. The only thing I know is that by the time Osunda and his wife will come back in this village, my father and my sisters, they will sleep in police cell.
Hi. Oh, your sister should have just let things go. They should have even done this.
I'm telling you.
Hi.
I keep on telling them. Afana.
Afa what?
That's what you don't know. Afana.
Afa what?
You don't know. I should tell you. Afana, you did not introduce me to your friend.
You mean my friend Rose?
Yes.
Hello. Don't worry, okay? You know there was no chance now. She hurried out and she's just coming back. Just calm down. I will.
Okay, you promise me you will introduce me to her.
Of course.
Because I want to be her friend the way you and the Anuka is. you kiss Anuka.
Hello, don't worry. I will introduce you to Rose, okay? Promise me one thing.
What is it?
You help me talk to your friend Anuka. You know I really like him so much. I do. I like him so much from the bottom of my heart. I can do anything for him. But right now, I say he's going close to my rich friend. I don't know if it's because she's from a rich home. This is not fair. Please let me talk to him.
Don't worry, I will. See, Anuka is my friend. In my bureau. Anuka is my friend. See, I control him like a remote control. Anuka, move.
That means I'll have Anuka.
Yeah. See, don't worry, I will talk to him. Anuka is yours. I promise you.
Okay.
Anuka is yours.
Okay. Fight for me, I will fight for you.
You don't know me.
Talk to your friend for me. I'm not joking. No.
Then you go and sleep.
I'm serious.
I said, go and sleep. I will talk to him. Okay. You want to lock the door? Yes. Please. I want to promise you one thing. See, Anuka, you will marry Anuka. I feel like I'm in this village. I bet me. You must marry Anuka. Can I lock the gate? Lock the door. Let me lock this one too.
Don't worry.
You're still inside. Sorry.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Daddy, this is really serious. I I've been calling him for complete 4 hours now and he has blatantly refused to pick my calls. Yes, Daddy, my mind is telling me that he's up to something. Maybe he wants to run away from me. No, Daddy, listen, you have to do something. I'm very fast. Declare him wanted immediately, please. Okay? Alright, Daddy, thank you so much. I'll keep you updated. Alright.
You place yourself above, parading majestically, looking down on your man. Ooh, you showed respect and dignity, full of pride and mean. Make a change because life is full of pages. Arrogance in order.
Okay. Wakasa.
Thank you. How are you?
Awesome. Where are you coming from?
I was coming then.
Coming where?
I had a flat tire, you know. I was fixing it. The mom called me.
You are a blatant liar.
I'm not lying. You come and look at it.
Shut your mouth right now. Shut that mouth of yours and get inside.
Baby, I won't lie to you. My mother called me. I think she has issues. I need to get to the village.
Hey, Osondu. Osondu, you think I'm a fool? You want to run away from me?
From you? No, I'm stuck here.
Do you think you can run away from your shadow?
Never. I'm with you, baby. I love you. Why would I want to run away? It's just that I changed the car. As at that time, my mother called me.
Now shut your mouth and go right inside. Right now.
Baby, my mother called me.
I swear with my life, Osondu, if I get inside before you, you will sleep in the police cell.
Baby, it hasn't got
Oh
into
my God.
Osondu. Baby.
If I get into this house before you, I swear you sleep in the police cell. Are you stupid?
Papa, I cannot see what is bad and say it is good. Papa, I know the land is yours, but I beg you to leave it for her. Leave it for her so that she can make use of in this planting season. I know her tenure has expired as you agreed with her late husband. But what I want you to do is just compensate her. That's all.
Hello, you should be ashamed of yourself. See the nonsense you're vomiting from your mouth. A full-grown man like you.
See, if you talk nonsense, I will slap you.
Hey, shut up! Now I know you are not a man. Eva or Coco. Good! Idiot!
No problem. By the time Osondo and his wife comes back, you people should be ready for war.
We are ready.
You are ready?
We are ready.
Okay now.
Why would they insult Papa on his own land? Why? And you're here talking rubbish.
It's
not obvious.
Hello, I will disown you.
Papa, disown him.
I will disown you.
Yes.
Ebu isi okoko.
Mogu. My J5.
Mogu.
Hello, come on, why you
Arrest these two guests. Arrest them.
Thank you.
By the time I'm done with you people, you will know that I may be in this village, but in the city, I have connection.
Anuka, so this is what you are doing. You are doing it to my family, Anuka. Anuka.
Ichie, don't start though. If not because your son is my friend, by now you'll be in the booth.
Let me go with you.
Come to the police station.
Move them! Yes, I'm moving.
Don't touch me. You're taking fresh money.
I have connection.
Hello, Doctor will fire you. Doctor will fire you.
My family. No problem. Wait for me.
At least, leave my hand. The food is only me. Leave my hand. Papa, I told you.
Leave my hand. I will disown you.
I want you.
You will never enter into this house.
I said it.
Mama, don't worry. They will hear word. Yes, I will tell them that my girlfriend has connection. Mama, the father is very, very, very rich.
I know.
She has money. Yes.
I wonder for the. I wonder me. I want. The only Jimadu Malego Jive.
Mama, that girl is a good girl. She's a good girl. I'm even beginning to like her.
Ijoma, why don't you go inside and freshen up? Eh? Mama, go inside and rest.
Hi, not yet. I'm not going in. I will stay here and wait for my son and his new girlfriend to come back. As for Ijoma, she should go and have a shower. I didn't know she doesn't have any energy. The way they beat her up here, just showing off their underwear. Hi, but Ijoma, you see what I told you? It is good to know rich people.
Mama, you told me. If not that Rose came to rescue us now, what would have happened before Brother Anuka would come? We would have been in trouble by now. And I'm even going to be very happy if my brother ends up marrying Rose.
You support Tobago? Supporters Club of Nigeria.
Why are you talking like this? Have you forgotten how I cared about your brother?
Osino okay. Give me bouquet. Nebi care this year bapwa. You bouquet motos. Osino okay. Please, I don't want to hear this nonsense. So, see, allow my son to enjoy Rose because the Rose is GFA. What's the meaning of this? And Biko, do not put any asunder or sand into that relationship. Osino I care. Fiji now Johnny you care about. Mama boy. No, please, even this thing you're saying, my waist pain has gone. Okay, all this while I've been complaining, you've not even rushed out to buy Panadol for me. You've not even bothered to massage the waist. Okay, see, I care. The care for a man comes through the mother, then I will ensure that there's care. But that is when money follows. And I want care, get up and go. Mama, please leave my house. Leave my house. Go for that one in a baby limbembo. Go. If I make chapter, please leave my house. On a man and return those things he brought and I can't return them. Farewell, goodbye. If he can afford you for Kunyan. Go now. You want to cry? You're going to mania.
What are you doing with my bag?
You will not enter this house again. You will not enter my house again.
Papa, why?
Hello, this house will not contain us. Go and bring your sisters back from the police station.
Papa, so because of this, you want to send me out of my own house?
Which house? Do you have a house? Go and bring your sisters back from the police station.
Papa, never. Papa, I'm not going anywhere. Papa, this house belongs to me.
Which house?
This is my house.
This house. Go and bring your sister back from a police station. Go and bring them out.
Papa, wait. I should go and bring them out.
If you don't bring them, this house will not contain us.
Am I the one that sent them to go and fight? Papa, never. Papa, never.
I'm my friend. Go and bring your sisters. You will not enter my house.
You, I don't understand, Papa. Am I the one that sent them to go and fight? Papa, please. This house is my house. This is my house.
Okay,
you don't understand.
Hello, you want to fight me? Hello, you want to fight me?
Okay.
Papa,
look at my job.
Yeah, come and fight me.
Papa, leave my way. Papa, okay, Ozzy.
Come and fight me.
Papa, what can I say?
You idiot. Hello, you idiot. Go and bring your sisters out.
Papa, leave my way.
Which way?
Papa, you're looking for my trouble. You're looking for my trouble. Come on. But this house, your father left it for you. That means you leave this house for me, oh.
Which house? This house. Black Ebanya.
Papa, leave my way.
Yeah, you see.
Papa,
come and enter.
Papa, leave my way.
Papa, leave my way.
Papa, leave my way. Oh. Papa, leave my way. Can you see, Papa?
Go and bring your sisters out from police station.
Papa, leave my way. Papa, leave my way.
Daddy, he's back.
Wait.
Hey. Just shut your mouth. I said, shut up. I'll slap you. Daddy, baby. He's back. Don't baby me. Daddy, no, don't worry yourself. I will deal with it. If he misbehaves, I'm going to call you right away. Okay, Daddy, thank you so much. Just look at you. You think you're smart?
I'm not smart.
I am going to show you that I am smarter than you are. You want to run away from me?
Run away from you?
You're not going anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere, please.
Baby, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I didn't go anywhere. I won't go anywhere. I just went to the hotel to take a few bottles, you know, to ease up tension. My mother called me. She was saying a lot, too many issues. I don't know what else to do. I was frustrated, so I just went there to ease tension, honestly. Please, baby, I need to go to the village to see.
You are going nowhere. That is where you got it all wrong. You are going nowhere. You're going to be here with me. Those people in the village, they will neither see you or myself. We are going to be here together. You're very, very super. You are a blatant liar. You want to leave me and run away, yeah?
Boo, me?
You are not going anywhere.
I am not.
You are my husband.
I'm your husband.
Yes.
Yes.
So you are not going anywhere.
I'm not.
You left for 5 hours. Doing what? Ines Omo Yankee.
No,
okay?
Yankee, me?
Ah.
No, no.
Ines Omo.
No.
So what wrong?
No, I'm here. Honestly, you can check
this. Let me tell you, my brother, you're not going anywhere. You're going to be in this house until my father comes. And you explain to him where you have been.
Husband and wife, we can.
You explain to him where you. You're going to explain to him. Boo, what? Get up. You're telling me about your people. So because your people know I'm wealthy, now they're looking for trouble everywhere. They're calling you to come to the village and do what?
People don't look for
and do what? So I'm asking you.
Please, I need to go see my mother. Boo.
When was the last time you performed your manly duties? Your husbandly duties? When was the last time? You give me. What have you done?
Boo, please.
Get up and go inside.
Boo.
Boo what? Don't boo me. Get up. Inside. Go inside.
I understand this frustration.
Go inside. You're not going anywhere.
I'm not going.
Go inside.
Boo.
I'm going to police you till my father comes.
Thank you so much for what you've done for me today. I mean, considering the fact that you don't even know us too well, yet you were ready to sacrifice your time and your connections to see us through. Dalo Unwam, thank you.
Mama, my friend, she's told me so much about this family and how you all helped her during the house issues. So I don't think I need to know you more than this for me to help you.
Yeah. Dalo.
My love, thank you. So, sorry, forgive me. My dear, thank you. You know, with what you did for us now, my heart has been so open like a wide gate. So accepting you with love. That's why I didn't know when I said my love. Instead of me to say my baby. Sorry, my dear.
Mama, I need to go now and rest. Much later, I will come and see you.
Hey, my love. I mean, hey. Sometimes I talk like my son. Please don't be angry. I mean, Roro, please, you can come to my house anytime, anywhere, whatever. And next time you're coming, let me know early so I can prepare something special for you.
Mama, thank you.
You're welcome.
And as for those girls, they will remain in that police station until you all say so.
No problem. They'll stay there for a while.
All right, Mama.
Anuka,
Mama, let me see you.
Anuka, I'm finished. Anuka, I'm finished.
What do you mean you are finished, but you are still remaining?
Anuka, my father has disowned me.
How will he do that?
My father sent me out of my own house. Huh?
Why would your father do something like that?
Do I know? Just because I was supporting your family.
Nah, see, your sisters will remain in that cell. So, I just told the boy, it's better you go and find a place to stay. It's not ending for me.
Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, please. Mama, you know Mama, please. Hey, Anuka. Anuka, help me and beg your mother.
My mother says so. My love, so... Come, my dear. Come, let me see you off. Let me drive you to your house.
Hey, Loka. Let me tell you something. Your sisters are so lucky that it wasn't my brother that came from the city with city police to come and arrest them. And tell them to wait for more because my brother is still coming home with his wife with city police.
I want them. Hey, Mama, please, because you
don't touch me. Well, let me tell you, you want them. Let me tell you. They will stay in this local cell for now.
Hey.
Then when Osondo and his wife arrive from the city with city policemen, they will migrate them to
with the Black Maria.
Kiri, straight to city cell. Your sisters have the guts to come to my house and fight me.
Hey.
And even called my mother a wicked woman. And what be for?
Wicked woman. No, your mother is not a wicked woman.
They will use Black Maria to transport them. Baby, sorry.
Kiri.
My dear, let me
Mama, please.
Take care of yourself, baby.
Mama, don't let anybody stress you.
Okay, thank you.
Come on, enter.
You're leaving me?
No! I'm going to arrange black barrier to transport your sister.
My house. And they call my mother kept me.
Mama, please. I'm finished. Anuka, please now. Talk to your mother now.
They have not seen anything.
Go and get ready to jump inside black barrier. No, don't follow me.
This is just the beginning, no.
Don't follow me. Go and get ready to. You enter black barrier, not this one.
I should follow you.
Mba.
Mama.
Hey! Follow them. Follow them. Run after them. Run after them. Be raw, follow them.
Anuka.
Follow them and go.
Chief, please, take it easy. With him, please.
I will not take it easy with him. I will not. This boy want to dump my daughter and run away. Why?
How are you sure he wants to run away? Maybe he just drunk in traffic.
Then why is he not picking my call? Why is he not picking my calls? Good.
Sir.
Good. Go with one of your men to my daughter's house and guide that house from now. Make sure he does not go out that way except my daughter permits him to go out. And if he proves stubborn, beat him up and lock him up.
Chief, this boy might plan to kill our daughter. I don't like what you people are doing. You are treating him very bad, Chief.
Please. Go in and take your drugs.
Remember your political career. It might jeopardize it too. He will be talking online, Chief. Chief, listen to me.
I will kill him. If he tries it, I'll kill him. My political career.
It is good to marry a rich woman. Did you see how that girl performed? I cannot wait for Anuka to marry her.
Mama, you think Anuka should marry Rose?
Yes, now.
Iloro. Mama, you're talking about marriage now.
Oh, you expect me to waste time? This girl comes from a rich home. Her father is loaded and well connected. Did you see how she brought the police people? We cannot afford to wait. If Anuka waits, somebody else might just take over.
Mama.
After all, Anuka has nothing to offer.
Mama, you have started again, no? This was the same way you pushed brother son to marry Stella. Mama, since they got married, have they called you? Have they sent anything to you? No. And now that you need help, you were calling them. Did they pick your call?
Maybe.
Now you want to enter another one. I come out your prayer.
Nonsense. Okay, what if Osondo and his wife traveled out of town? Besides, we now walk and talk with pride in this village. People now respect us.
Where is she? Where's Egodi? Egodi! So, you have done your worst, eh? Opana?
Yeah, Ichie, you have not seen anything yet. You have not seen anything. So you came to fight a poor widow like me. And you think you'll go scot-free. Very soon, you will end up with your children in cell.
Egodi, let me ask you. Is it a crime that I gave you land to cultivate?
Why did you not wait for me to finish the harvest? To finish the season? He'd be about to fight me.
Me?
Yes.
Fight you? Did I fight you?
Yes.
Was it not your daughter that pushed me? Now, Okay. Oh, because you now have connection. That is why you are behaving anyhow. You will say anyhow. But let me also tell you, if my children sleep in that cell, I will not tell you what will happen to you.
Jealous. Ichi, let me tell you something. If I were you, coming here, what you should come here to do is to come and beg my mother and beg me. And not this empty threat. Who are you threatening? You want to enter there with them? Or you can go get?
Bia, listen to me. In your house, I'm white. And then why baby na man like. You got if by the time my daughter-in-law comes, you're entering that cell with them.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Let those children be in that cell. It is you, Ego, that will go and bring them out from that cell. And by the time they come out, that is when I will start my own problem with you.
You will start trouble and get in trouble.
There's no problem. No problem. Let my children.
And where if he get me? Those your children, they will rot there. By the time they starve and come out hungry, they will not have the energy to enter my compound to fight lessons. Me. Nonsense. Oh, my daughter pushed you. By the time I will drink stout and push you, this
is just the beginning, This is just the beginning.
Nonsense.
Because the next one, you will enter there with them.
My energy giving.
Is you on the Mama. Mama, give me now. Give me stout. Let me drink.
You want some drink?
I was the one that did the fight now.
You want to drink?
Yes, now.
This can't be shared.
Stout I said you should give me now.
Watch how we drink it.
Mama.
When one eye is closed, on the go.
Let me tell you, Rosie, you are a wonderful person, I swear. Hi!
You can say that again.
Hi! Rich people, you people are good.
Anuka, you're too funny.
I'm telling you.
Anuka! Oh my God! Anuka, baby!
Stop this thing now, I don't like this. Can't you see we are talking?
Anuka, what is it? Don't I used to hug you before? What is wrong with you?
I don't need it now. Can't you see I'm still not happy?
I'm sorry. Anuka, are you both having an affair?
Which affair? Begging for affair. Who they buy them? And who they sell?
Anuka, what
No, I don't like this. Stop it now. Stop it, Rose, sorry. I don't like this.
Anuka, why you deny me? Is it because Rose is here?
Denying you how? Because I harbored you in my house for 2 days. Gave you food. Came here to help you secure the place. You are now seeing it, making it look as if we're having something. We're not having anything.
Lucy, stop. I don't like this. Why are you forcing yourself on him? He just said that he doesn't have anything to do with you. Free this guy.
Rose, really shut up your mouth. What is wrong with you? Why are you coming between me and Anuka? What is wrong with you? Oh, I see. So you now want to drag my Anuka with me, right? You are just coming back. You better rest and mind your business.
Lucy, I am too exposed for this kind of nonsense. Drag a man? Over what? Anuka, I think it's time for you to leave.
Don't worry, please. Let's discuss. Baby, please. Rosie, baby. Stop this now. Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Why are you hugging me for?
Why would you hug me?
Why are you hugging me?
Why would I hug you?
Don't hug me.
Is it because you're not seeing my friend here and you're denying me? It's not fair. It's not fair. Anuka, what is wrong?
I don't
with
like
you
this
now?
thing you're
Stop
doing.
It. You say Anuka, you know I care so much about you. I've been telling you that I love you.
Don't love me. You don't understand. You don't understand. I don't like this you're doing. You care about me. You care about me. You don't even have motor. And you want to care about me.
Rose is here. Is that why you're denying me?
It's not because of Rose. Car, you know, it's not easy to buy a car. See, Rose, please don't be angry. Rose, please don't be angry.
If it's in ego, no worship money. Why are KJ do fed up to Nijenu? Uwabu college yo, onye nejo na muta.
hello. By the time I am done with you, you will know why I am your father. You will know why I am your father.
Papa, I'm trying, no. I'm trying. I've been begging those family. I've been begging them. Papa, be coming down like this. They will come out.
Hello, listen to me. If my daughter sleeps in that cell, I will die for you.
Papa, you will not die, yo. Papa, you will not die. Papa, what do you want me to do? After all, I've been warning you people. Leave that family alone. Leave that family alone. That family have gone. They have gone. Now you want to put everything on my head.
Now, can you listen to yourself? Shame on you, Elo. Shame on you, so you cannot support your own family. You are supporting another family. What is wrong with you? No, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? You don't know you have to support your family. These people you are supporting now, by the time they will disappoint you and you decide to come back, it will be too late. You have to support your family even when we are wrong. That makes you a member of the family.
Papa, I'm not supporting the family. I'm only saying the truth.
I have just told you.
Papa, what do you want me to do now? Can you check on me? That time I've been warning people. Leave that family alone.
I have told you.
Papa, it's not my fault, oh. It's not my fault. It's not my fault, oh. I've been warning you people. Leave that family alone. Leave that family alone. That family have gone. They have gone. Huh? And now you're putting everything on my head. What will I do now? What will I do now? Should I go and beg that girl Rose? Yes, I will go and beg her. No. I cannot beg her.
Good day, ma.
Good day, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
Sorry, ma. Is he in now?
Of course it is. And please, I've spoken with my father already. I want you to always be with him wherever he goes. Do not ever give him a breathing space.
Okay, ma. I am here for you.
Alright, thank you so much. My girl will get back to you in just a minute.
Mama, he's still not picking his calls.
Yeah, too, he's still not picking. But the last time we called him, he answered. Kasi, why isn't he picking now?
That was what he told me. He said he will call back when he gets home. And now I'm calling him, he's not picking again. I don't know.
I hope there's no problem. That's unlike him. Okay, you know what? I think you'll have to go to the city.
Mama, me?
Yes.
Go to this. I'm not going to that city. I don't like that girl. I can't go to that house.
Don't talk ill of my darling, lovely, sweet daughter-in-law. What a killing MMO.
Mama, sometimes I wonder your reason for calling this girl all these sweet names you're calling her. Because that girl is in the position to help me and my brother. And she allowed us to be rotten in this village. Still, you're still calling her sweet name for what?
Hold on now. When I talk to her, I will convince her to help you people.
Mocho.
Bobby on the phone.
Mama, you have to come and join this thing now. Come and join this matter before head will start falling down.
Oh, Guinea, what is it?
Do you know that Lucy told Rose that I'm her boyfriend?
What?
Can you imagine?
How can she say that?
That we are dating.
Is she mad?
I wonder. Now Rose is angry with me. A girl that has already fallen for me. Why you go for me? What if for me to come and, Huh?
Yeah. You see why I hate poor people? They like to cause confusion for people and just disorganize their lives. Mama, what kind of nonsense is this?
Mama, it's okay. Just calm down. But, Anuka, does that mean you don't like Lucy? She's a fine girl.
Ijoma, I don't like Lucy. I don't like Lucy. Rose is the person I want. I'm not thinking of love now. I'm thinking of money. Think of money. Ijoma, think money.
Money.
Stop thinking beauty. I don't need their beauty. After all, Rose is even beautiful too. So, beauty plus money. is equal to superwoman.
Yes.
I don't want someone that is only beautiful. She doesn't have money. I want a woman that is beautiful. Can't you see? Eh? Please, tell her, Mama, go and one hour, I'll break her neck.
I'm breaking her, calm her down. I know what to do. I will go and harass her. Or better still, I'll invite them to this place so we can settle this matter once and for all.
So that Lucy will know her place.
Yes.
Rose and I will know our place.
Yes,
Mama,
yes.
let me tell you.
Do you know that Rose told me that as soon as she finished her youth service here,
America. With any man that will be close to her, both of them are going to America.
Are you serious?
Mama, can't you see?
See
opportunity.
America. Hey! Then by the time I'm walking in the village, an American woman, you have to buy me something because promise me you will buy me a winter coat.
Mama,
Mom,
winter jacket will be there.
Winter
raincoat, you have it. Rain boot, you have it. Talk to this girl so that she will not spoil things for us.
Calm down.
Mama, once I go inside now, start putting things in order. So that when she finish her youth service, and I'm American. You see, Lucy, if she tries to spoil this thing for me, Mama, I'll break her neck. I'll break her neck. Let her stay away from us.
Hey, allow me to deal with this stupid girl. Allow me to deal with her. Don't stop me. Don't stop me.
Hey, Lucy, you will deal with me.
Yes.
You will deal with Lucy. If I
Hey, you will not do anything. You will not do anything. How dare you come to this village to take my man away from me, to take Anuka away from me? Eh? Are you not afraid of me?
It's okay now.
Nonsense.
It's okay. I don't like what I hear. I don't like it. It's okay.
I am a mad dog. You are a mad goat.
What is this? Eh? Keho? I don't get it. Keho is it now?
Elo, look at me. Anuka came here and he said it right before this idiot. It doesn't have anything to do with her. So why is this mad woman fighting me because of a man?
See this goat.
Why are you fighting me?
See this goat. See this Tara. Let me tell you. Anuka was only denying it. Yes, he was denying it. You know.
Yes, he's right.
Yes.
Anuka was only denying it. I know. See, Rose, I will tell you the truth. Do you know why I'm telling you the truth? Because I care about you. See, Anuka likes your friend. That's the truth. I don't even know why he's denying the part that he likes her. I don't know.
Tell her.
Do you understand?
Tell her.
Please.
Elo, I don't care about the nonsense both of you are spilling from your dirty mouths. What I care about is what Anuka said to me. That it doesn't have anything to do with this idiot, shameless girl.
Hey!
Listen, see, don't provoke me.
Hey!
Because if it gets me angry, I will expose you.
Hey!
I will expose you.
Oh, you want to hold Anuka because of this big car you are carrying, right? Don't worry, Anuka is my own.
Hey, Lucy, you don't have shame. Why are you forcing yourself on a man that doesn't want you?
Doesn't want you? Does he want you? I thought you are a posh girl, but you are not posh.
I am.
Look at who is posh.
I am.
You are not posh.
I will show you my
It's okay. Can you now?
What's your?
I don't understand.
Why are you shouting at me?
It's okay. See. I'm here to settle this. And I will settle it right now. Tell me. You see, this is too early for you to fight over a man. It's not good. Why not, first of all, go into their family. Know their family background before you jump into conclusion. You can't do that kind of thing now.
I don't care about the rubbish both of you are spilling from your dirty mouth. What I care about is what Anuka said to me. That it doesn't have anything to do with this mad woman.
Hey, I am mad.
And Lucy, listen to me. If you provoke me,
what will you do?
If you get me
what
upset,
will you do?
I will expose you.
What will you do?
I will expose you.
What will you do,
Rose? Yes.
Rose,
I will expose you. I will expose
Rose,
you.
you cannot do anything. Stand back.
I will expose you.
You cannot do anything. Stand back. You cannot do anything.
So, am I useless? Am I useless here?
Hey, I want him.
He wants
me. He wants me. He wants Lucy. He wants Lucy. Anuka wants me. Anuka wants me.
It's okay.
Talk to her.
Am I useless?
You're very useless. Look at her. I thought she's posh.
Now wow, how can someone be under house arrest in his own house? Eh?
See, look, I'm not just happy with what Madam is doing right now. I'm not just happy. Must you treat a man like this just because he's not rich?
You see, that is why I'm telling you that it is not good for someone to depend on anybody. Yes, it's good for you to have your own money.
You don't need to depend on anybody. Your brother, your sister, your wife, your relatives. It's not good for you to depend on them. See, let me tell you, do you know it's better as I'm doing this my gate man work? Maybe who knows, one day God will just uplift me, bless me from there. Yes, than answering person, Sama, this is today, beating, brutal and every day. No. It's not good.
I'm telling you, I cannot treat a man I call my husband like this just because my parents are rich and connected. I hate Oga Sef. I hate Oga. He cannot be bold and come out and say, I'm no longer interested. I'm not interested in this marriage again.
Watch your tongue. Okay, see, that's something why I tell you. I'm still saying the same thing. It's good for someone to make money. Money is what makes a man. Yes, it's money.
It's not. It's the boldness, confidence you have in yourself. Power. Your power. I beg, don't tell me that. Don't just tell me that. We are no longer in that age. We are no longer in that age. He should be bold. He should be bold to come out and say, I'm no longer interested. I'm no longer interested. I don't want to marry again. I hate Oga Sef.
Eh?
Yes.
You hate Oga? Watch your tongue go. That side you do. Those police people, they are still outside. Watch your tongue go. Hey, I know why I'm telling you this.
What impetus?
Madam.
What gods? Are you stupid? Are you mad? Just shut your mouth. So this is what you two do here. Oh, you have the nerves, the two of you, to gossip me in my own house, my servants.
Sorry, madam.
Sorry, kill you there. You're very stupid. You're very crazy. You're sorry. So you served the policeman and you expected me to clear the table whilst you stand here with this fool to gossip me in my own house? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You are definitely going to get it hot. Now move. Move it. Move it. Outside.
You don't know this case well. You should have asked, what is the foundation of this case? Just came and they arrested my sisters. Now my father has sent me out of my own house. Because just help me and release them now.
Listen to me. I'm not the right person for you to beg. Go to them and apologize to them, not me.
Yeah, you see,
why are you begging me?
You see, you should mind how you put your mouth into something you don't know about. Hey! Mama, you're welcome. Huh? What's the matter, Mama?
Mama, welcome.
Hey! I'm going on to. Hey! Roro, Mom, awesome welcome, Odika. Hey! Rose flower. Different colors. Pink, red, white, yellow, so go for Oginamokesi. Now I am here, Lucy. What am I hearing? What am I hearing?
Mama, you will not believe it. My friend here, she has been fighting me because I'm getting close to Anuka. And Mama, I asked Anuka right in her presence, and he said he doesn't have anything to do with her. I don't understand why this guy is fighting me.
Can you imagine? But Mama, Elo here confirmed.
Yes.
No, is Elo my son? Elo wakanyana Anuka siweyi. Isi Anuka obalumpe kanke Elo siwewa. What are we talking about here? Eloka, are you in my son's head? Any melenyi. Ifele me boy.
All this is you are saying is not my business. The only thing I want now is my sisters to come out. I want my sisters to come out. Because I can't be living outside though. I can't be sleeping outside. Or if you want me to be coming to your house and sleep. My father has sent me out of my home. My home.
Jello, because you want your sisters to come out. You're now destroying my son's name. Destroying his personality. Destroying Ezimo Mado. So you achieve what?
Mama, but I love your son.
Yabuki, shut up! Is it a crime? It is a crime to love my son. Obanye, can you know if you married Jisikote? You have not even returned this eyelash sheep or Lumadi since. Eh? Osimo, I'm in love with your son. Naziana, my dear, listen. You know why I'm here? I am here to clear the ground. Roro,
Roro, beautiful flower, I am here to clear the ground and let her understand that Anuka is not interested in her. Never has been. And listen, you can come to my house anytime, anyhow, any whatever. Biabem, even if it is dark and you want to spend the night, hey, Nem, you can always spend the night. Oh yes, because you know, Anuka's room is strategically positioned for fresh air in case there's any special activity going on. You just lie, his mattress is quite big. You just lie to one end. Don't do anything, many for Bona. Allow Anuka filled with the spirit of to handle you. Oh God, dear good that day. Why are you looking at me? Obo.
Thank you, Mama. I've heard you.
I know. People always tell me I go to church.
Well, Elo here, he has been begging me.
Yes, Mama.
Mama, I think you should forgive them.
Bikon.
Mechono, shut up. Ajoy. Amaro Mobisi Apple Chagi. Idika stingray. Ima stingray. You wouldn't know anyway. Listen. Let my daughter-in-law beg me. Because of you, Rosie, baby, boo, baby, Rosie. Rose of too many colors. I will do your beating. Manifumunagi. Faga larunanga. This night, then maybe tomorrow morning. And you considers here.
Mama, because where will I sleep this night?
You can sleep here, Roro. Mama. Let me change the curtain in the room in case you decide to come tonight. Oh, shut up, Obanye. Hey, I'll give you a chance. Why are you looking at me? What? Rose. Lucy. Mama. Lucy.
Your desire. So what is it you say you want to talk about? Because I want to go somewhere right now.
I'm sorry. Honestly, I never planned to leave you. I cannot leave you. I was just at the bar drinking, wondering why you've been treating me the way you have. I'm sorry, baby.
Oh, please. Please. You think I'm a fool? You think I do not know that you married me because of my father's money?
No, that's not true.
Oh, that is the truth. I know, that is it. You think I'm daft? Now you want me to give you all the freedom that you really want. So that when you finally kill me, you go bring in the woman you love, right? I would do no such thing. I won't.
You're taking this thing too far. I love you.
You don't love me.
Baby, I am sorry.
You think I'm a fool?
You're not a fool.
Oh my goodness, Osondu, I'm not that stupid. I'm not.
No one said you are. I'm just...
No, you're just nothing, please. Is this why you called me? I mean, this is why you said you wanted to see me.
Baby,
I don't have time for this, Osondu. I don't.
Listen to me. I said I'm sorry. I didn't marry you because of your father's work. If anything, I love you.
You love who? You don't love me, please. I don't have time for all this. I'm going out right now. By the time I return, I want this whole place to be clean. Dress the bed very well. Neatly dressed. Fix the house. The bathroom, the sitting room, the kitchen, even the compound. Am I well understood? Huh?
Yes.
Who could save me from